In the small, bustling town of Greenwood, the changing seasons brought different shades of joy and adventure for the children. As the town clock announced the arrival of spring, the kids, like flowers themselves, bloomed under the sun's warm gaze. The park echoed with laughter as little legs dashed between blossoming trees, playing hide and seek behind the billowing curtains of cherry blossoms. Summer was a golden ticket to freedom. The days stretched long, filled with endless cycles of neighborhood kids racing their bikes along winding paths, and lemonade stands, ambitious in their price, but generous in servings, popping up at every other corner. The local lake witnessed countless cannonballs and made gentle waves the perfect accomplice in afternoon escapades. Then came the whisper of autumn, painting Greenwood in hues of amber and gold. Crunchy leaves became the bed for new games, leaf pile jumping, scavenger hunts, and the ever-popular soccer matches. The crisp air only heightened the children's laughter, ringing through pumpkin patches and apple orchards where families gathered to savor the bounty of the harvest and create memories framed against the setting sun. Winter wrapped the town in a chilly embrace, but the children's spirits never cooled. Snowflakes were the new playmates, each flurry an invitation to build towering snowmen and fortified ice castles. The pond transformed into nature's skating rink, where kids learned the art of pirouettes or, more often, the humbling tumble and giggle of icy missteps. Through every season, the heart of Greenwood beat with the joyous energy of its children. Each leaf, snowflake, sunbeam, and raindrop was a verse in their endless poem of play, discovery, and laughter, a melody that played on, no matter the season.